Are you tired of spending countless hours in the kitchen? Imagine preparing delicious meals quickly and effortlessly. Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, a versatile kitchen gadget that transforms meal preparation. This pressure cooker, loved by thousands, cooks your food in a fraction of the time. Customers rave about its easy-to-use features and its ability to prepare perfect rice, soups, and more. Users note after getting their pots, cooking became less of a chore and more of a joy. It acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, and sauté pan, effectively replacing several kitchen appliances. Users praise its functionality, stating that it works flawlessly. For instance, one customer mentioned, "This is our second Instant Pot. Great product, does what we needed it to do." It saves cooking time efficiently, making it a true kitchen ally. In terms of cooking ease, the Instant Pot simplifies meal prep with clear instructions. Users express how quickly they adapted to its functions. One shared, "Love my Instant Pot. You can do so many things with this pot." Many users highlight this feature, with one saying, "It's also easy to clean," which is a big plus. When it comes to value for money, this appliance shines. One reviewer stated, "Great price, great features, simple to use, love it." It handles a wide array of dishes effortlessly. Another user noted, "Everything just cooks perfectly every single time. It's so versatile and easy to use." Of course, the taste matters. Many appreciate the flavors it brings out in their meals. One satisfied cook mentioned, "Cooking function is a lifesaver. Tough cuts of meat are tender and flavorful." Purchasing the Instant Pot Duo Plus might be the best decision you make for your kitchen. Don't wait any longer! Grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today and take the first step toward effortless cooking and delicious meals.